Hello, dear students. Our complete resultant team welcome you all. On behalf of complete resultant team to all the teachers across the country, we wish all of them a very happy Teachers Day. And on the occasion of this Teachers Day, from the behalf of complete resultant team, we promise you, we ensure you that we will be giving our best to make your future bright. We'll be doing each and everything that will be shaping your bright future. Thank you.
So, guys, when we are talking about the relation between teacher and student, it's a beautiful relation, and you know that the success of yours, we always feels like our success. When you get a rank in any exam, we feel it like it is ours because we together are working for that. So, guys, all the best on this Teachers' Day, and just stay tuned with us. We are always there to help you in your preparation journey.
So, students, I know many students do say that on Teachers' Day, sir, what gift do you want? I only tell only one gift I want is your selection. So that's the best gift that you can give to us, our entire teachers, all fraternity teachers from entire country. But one thing, the best gift that any student can give to any teacher is the results. They are getting a good results. So that's it from one thing I request from your side. So happy Teachers Day for all the teachers fraternity from all our resultant team. Thank you, sir.
Wish you a very happy Teachers Day to all from our resultant team. You know very well we are celebrating today on 5th September Teachers Day in all over India. As you know, Dr. Radhakrishnan, that was the first Vice President of India and second President of independent India. He served the nation as a professor in the University of Calcutta and Oxford University also. And our team of resultant are definitely working with you by our classes and our technical support and all the helps. So we are expecting result from you. Thank you very much from resultant team.